Welcome to KioWare University, where we show you the ins and outs of using KioWare to its fullest potential. Today, we'll be covering the latest release for KioWare for Android, version 4.5. With this latest version of KioWare for Android, users can expect to see improved usability and updated security features. Users will now be warned when exiting KioWare is disabled in their configuration. In this example, you can see that I have disabled the function buttons on my device via Samsung Knox. Navigating to the Security tab, followed by Application Manager, and finally Single Application Mode, you can see that attempting to enable this feature will result in a warning, KioWare Exit Impossible dialog. This is because by default, the Exit button is not enabled in Single App mode. To avoid an impossible exit situation, users will need to either enable the Single App Mode Exit button or re-enable the Power button in the Samsung Knox tab. In addition to these changes, users can now set up remote settings imports from KioWare Server or KioCloud to occur during provisioning. To do so, select Create Provisioning File in the General tab. Select Settings URL, followed by KioWare Server. The field will automatically populate with the KioWare Server or KioCloud URL set in the Kiosk Management tab. You can save your provisioning file by selecting Save Provisioning File and choosing your preferred save location. With this change, KioWare will now import any managed configurations assigned to it from KioWare Server or KioCloud during the provisioning process. To learn more about provisioning, take a look at the user guide at www.kioware.com/docs.aspx. In addition to the above changes, we have made improvements to the exit protocol and tutorial to accommodate smaller screens. Finally, improvements have been made to the JavaScript library to block unwanted domains from using critical API methods. KioWare for Android is now Samsung Knox version 3.9, and KioTouch libraries are now compatible with Android 13. Thank you for watching KioWare University, where we show you the ins and outs of using KioWare to its fullest potential.